Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your tags on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and customize these tags. Maybe you don't like the color, maybe that you made a mistake in actually adding this tag. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to customize these tags, what I normally do is I click onto a task and then I click on the tag itself. So as you can see, we're now taken to the page where this tag is here. Go ahead and click on right over here where it says actions. And then you can either set the color of the tag or you can rename the tag. So if you want to rename this tag, let's say to LinkedIn, you can do that as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and customize tags on Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.